welcome back to my channel. This is Kalasahan Kulinchiki from Wattpad, and this is my ina ko Kalasahan. Hello! Lingkat! So, we're now here in Zamboanga City, guys. This is my cousin, Kuya Pajin. Hi! So, now that we're having a food trip, so yeah, come with us, guys.
Kanon. Para sila dito. Mamaya ito sila makaon.
Guys, it's Manada Gente here, guys. This is the view. Hi, mami! Ina ko Kalasahan. Lingkatan. It's nice to be back here in my
Hometown.
Yeah, hometown. Ito niya, kita ko ng kwanto. Di kita lanuan ka.
Balot daw naman natin. Mo sila balot.
Ano ay? Guys, Manada Gente good here, guys. Yeah, Manada Gente.
Hey guys! Pabistanan. Ambok Mountain View ka naman.
Sabi, oh, busy ka, oh. I just want to introduce you to my newlywed cousin. She's a nurse from Saudi. Ate Noraisa! Say hi, Uika!
Isin tubig, tumiran. Isin tubig doon.
Ako tubig. Ako matityo.
And yeah, we're eating here, guys. Having food trip. Gabing dako. While in Zamboanga City, guys, I still bring this, guys, my book. Ay, this is my notebook from Zamboanga Beach Love, my novel. You can read it on Wattpad if you have Wattpad account. You can search Kalasahan Kulinchiki there. And yeah, without this, guys, I don't know what will happen. I'll be incomplete. Yeah. Writing this story in Zamboanga. Lolay, lolay. Lolay, 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 lolay. here walking, guys. And at the same time, I'm looking for inspiration for my next chapter of this. Yeah. Hope I can get. Yeah, bienvenidos.
Bienvenidos, Zamboanga. Hola.
Guys, come here, guys. It's safe here, right, Kuya?
Yes.
Yeah. And as the writer of from Zamboanga Vlog, I can say, come. Right, Kuya? Yeah.
Right.
And we're going back, guys, going home. So this ends for my, how do you call this? So this ends for my vlog, guys, and yeah. So this ends for my vlog, guys. So see you. Hasta la vista. Spread the love.